Johnson behind the net, he's got it. Goes to the front, nice pass. Shot, save, goal! Jones to Jones for a basket. Separated from a puck that's still battling away. Puck comes to the front, shot by Jones. And a goal! Cats goal! I believe it was number 7. Big top right pass to Jones. Jones, shot, goal! Zitzelsberger! Number 15 games.
That's where he gets it back. Now he's got it on his sticks. Going to have a look here. Jones to Jones. Shot. Goal! He beat the man. He's got a little edge on him. Breaks away. Here we go. Shot. Scores! Cats goal! Number 7, short-handed. The stick, and he skates it in the zone. Beats 1, beats 2. Jones shot. Goal! Once again, give me the shot, half blocked, but it makes its way to the net. Saved by the Wolves goalie. Out to Pinello. He keeps it in the zone at the blue line. Jones gets a stick on it. Jones still battling. Throws it to the front. Shot. Goal! Jones to Zitzelsberger to the back of the net at 5:53 of the third. Jones, too, loses an edge and goes down, but he keeps it in the zone. Zitzelsberger there, shot high over the glass in the cage. Now it's free. Shot. Goal! Oh! Zitzelsberger, I do believe, battling away, chipping away, and ties this game at